Just add to the pot now. I only got one. I only got one pack. I only got one pack, my guy. I heard a dollar. I heard a dollar fly off right then. I heard a dollar just shoot off the line right there. Got it. Oh Lord, look at this. I'm stuck on somebody else's line and I got the fish hooked. The fish is over here, but I'm stuck on their line. See, look at that mess. Like, really? Now I gotta try to let the fish run. There we go, we're off. We're off to the races. Come here, bro. Don't lose my bait. I already had another dollar fly off. I can't have $2 flying off. Yep, there went a dollar.